Welcome back to another day in my squishy shop. This is day 422 of my Designer Enters the Squishy World challenge. Our blueberry squishy has been selling like crazy lately, and many of you messaged me asking how to replace the squishy bag. So today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it, step by step. Make sure you watch until the end. It's actually really simple. Put your hand inside the bag, gently create space on both sides, and slowly pinch the squishy into place. Pinch it again like this, turn it over, and if the bag sticks a little, just press this part to attach it firmly. Then pull it down gently, and that side is done. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure the opening of the bag is stretched fully, completely wide, so your hand can move inside easily. Once the bottom is aligned, follow the same steps to secure it. Every squishy from our shop already comes with a matching replacement bag. Many people emailed me after receiving theirs, and I've seen so many cute buyer photos too. I always tell everyone, you can play with squishies without the bag. I didn't teach bag changing before because there are so many ways to enjoy squishies. There are no rules. Play however you like. In future videos, I'll show you how to fold rectangular bags, how to clean your squishy molds, and more. Squishies aren't just toys, they can actually become a full professional craft you can learn and master. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more behind-the-scenes tutorials.